Okay, for our next activity, I wanted to review the oo and the sound. Now they look the same, but they mean two different things or they sound differently. So the first sound is the oo sound. That's when we make a scoop above it, so we know to say ooh. Put your hands up and say ooh. Make your oath and say ooh. Perfect. So we know that the oo sound is like moon. Now we know that the sound, I make a little scoop below it and it goes like it's kind of hurting your chest, like everyone do that. Ready? Just like look. Look. And here's my glasses looking at the moon. So let's write some words. So I want you to get a piece of paper, a whiteboard if you have it, anything that you need to write. I'm using a marker today. If you want to use a pencil, in case you make a mistake, that's okay as well. So let's make our first word, and we're going to see if it's the oo sound or the sound. Okay, ready? Everyone write when I write. First letter is S. You should have made an S. Okay, ready? S, oo, I'm gonna sound out one more time. S, oo, two O's. Soon. Now it looks backwards because I'm recording it, but we have S, oo, soon. Think of a sentence with soon. I'll share mine. We will be back to school soon. I hope. Soon. What's your sentence with soon? Say it out loud. Okay, draw a picture with the word soon. I'm going to draw a clock to represent soon. And I'm going to just make one number, my big hand, just like that. Soon. Okay, let's get ready for the next word. First letter, B. Baby B. B. You can make a big B or a little b, an uppercase B or a lowercase b. Ready? B. Two O's. Kangaroo K. Okay, one more time. I'm going to sound it out. B. Let's see, you should have B. That's a B. I'm going to make it a big B. B. What's it say? Book. Now try your best to draw a book. I'm just going to draw a square with little lines out of it to represent the paper, just like that. Book. Okay, we're going to make another oo word. Ready? Trying to think. Oh, got one. Ready? Loop. Let's make loop. First letter, L. Lollipop, L. L. Ooh, I confused myself. So the first letter is L, L. Ooh, double O. P. Peter the Penguin. P. One more time before I show you. L. Ooh. P. L. Ooh. P. Loop. I'm just going to make a simple loop, just like that, next to loop. Okay, now we're going to make one in the row. Ready? The first word, first letter, I mean. Karate chop C. Double O. Kangaroo K. One more time before I show you. Karate chop C. K. What's the sound? What's the word? K. Cook. Now I'm going to draw a cook. I'm going to draw a person with the chef hat on. They're a girl. I'm going to draw me as a cook. And I'm making some eggs. Yummy. Cook. Okay, now that we have all our words, I want you to read them again. So go through each of the words and read them. And then my challenge for you today is to make a sentence with each word. So here's mine. And I want you to use details when you're writing your sentences. I see a big gray moon. So my adjectives are big and gray. Next one. I will eat a yummy lunch soon. So the adjective was yummy. I'm describing my lunch. And I'm using the word. The next one is loop. I go on a roller coaster. There is a big loop. So big describes the loop. And then you're going to continue with your other words. Okay, let me see your sentences. Have a good day.